the alcohol phenol ether, second chapter of chemistry second. In the previous lecture we have seen the classification of alcohols, phenols and ether. Today we see the nomenclature of alcohol, phenol and ethers. For the nomenclature there are two systems. One is common system, another is IUPAC system. For alcohol in common system it is known as alkyl alcohol. For example, CH3OH. In this alkyl group is methyl. So the name of this CH3CH is methyl alcohol. Second example, C2H5OH. Here alkyl group is ethyl. So it is called as ethyl alcohol. Next, if the given alcohol contains 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms, then use the letter N. If given alcohol contains 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms, use the letter N before the name of alkyl alcohol. In this example, there are 3 carbon atoms. So for 3 carbon, propyl alkyl group. Before this we write the N. So the name is N propyl alcohol. Next, in IUPAC system, when we use the word iso, in the given structure, when second carbon contains one methyl group, then we use the word iso. In this example, this is the second carbon. First, this is second. Contain one only methyl, not ethyl propyl. Only methyl. So this contains only one methyl group. Hence, the name of this structure in common system is isopropyl alcohol. In this example, this is carbon contain one only methyl. So here also we use the word iso. Total number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butyl. So iso butyl alcohol. Name is iso butyl alcohol. When the given structure contain second carbon atom contain 2 methyl groups, then we use the word NEO. When second carbon atom contain 2 methyl groups, then we use the word NEO. So for this structure we write the name, that is NEO. Rule for common system: count all carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butyl. For OH alcohol, so the name is neo-butyl alcohol. In the second example, there is a neo condition. So we write their name neo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pentyl. So name is neo-pentyl alcohol. Next rule for the common system is that when in the given structure OH group is attached to the secondary carbon atom, when OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom, then we write the word sec before the name of alkyl alcohol. It contains 4 carbons, so it is a butyl, and alcohol, so it is OH. Alcohol. Why we write the alcohol? Due to presence of OH group. So when we use the word sec, when OH group is attached to the secondary carbon atom, then it is a secondary butyl alcohol. Next rule, when OH group is attached to tertiary carbon, OH group attached to tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon is a carbon attached to other 3 carbon atoms. So the name of this structure is tertiary. For the tertiary we write T or T-E-R-T. Tert means tertiary. Total carbon atom there are 4. So we write tertiary butyl alcohol. So in the common system, once again they are known as alkyl alcohol. 3 or more carbon use the letter N. Second carbon containing CH3 use the word iso before the name of alkyl alcohol. When OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom, use the word sec. OH attached to the carbon atom such as tertiary, use the word tert or T before the name of alkyl alcohol. Now second method for the classification is IUPAC system. In this system they are called as alkanol. Alkanol, for example, CH3OH. One carbon atom in this structure. Methane, remove the E, replaced by OL. So the name is methanol. For the homologous series like that, ethanol, propanol, so on. Next, if the alcohol containing the 2 OH group, we use the word diol. 3 are there, we use the word triol. In this method or in this type, we cannot remove the E of the alkane. For example, the structure is like this: CH2, OH. It contains 2 carbon atoms, so the name is ethane 1,2-diol. If 3 times present, then it is a propane 1,2,3-triol like this. Next, if cyclic structure is there, like the cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, for such compound, if OH group is present, then how it is named as? We identify which cyclic. This is a closed cyclic, so cyclo. High carbon atom, pentane. It is an alcohol, so E is replaced by OL. So the name of the structure is cyclopentanol. This. Now in this structure there is a substituent for the cycloalkanol is CH3. But where the OH group is attached for cyclo compound, that carbon is considered as 1. When OH group is attached to the carbon, that carbon is considered 1 and the substituent is 2. Rule is that the substituent first. Substituent is methyl. What position? 2. So 2 methyl. Then cyclic, so cyclo. High carbon, pentane. Alcohol is there, so it becomes pentanol. This 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. It is a cyclobutanol. One more system is there for the classification, that is known as carbinol system. One more is there, that is known as carbinol system. What is the carbinol system? When there is a presence of CH2 group. This CH2 group, OH attached, and here alkyl groups are there different. Here it is methyl. If it is ethyl like that, then it is known as carbinol. It is known as methyl carbinol. If this CH3 is replaced by C2H5 and this carbinol carbon is there, the name is ethyl carbinol. So for the alcohol there are 3 nomenclature we have seen: common, IUPAC, and third is the carbinol system. Next, that is the phenol. For the aromatic ring, OH group is attached to the ring. One or more OH group, then it is known as phenols. For this, there are two systems of nomenclature. First is common. In this system, phenol is named as it is phenol. If more than one OH group or any other substance like methyl ethyl present, then in common system we use the letters OPM. O for ortho, this is the ortho position respective to this. P means para, respective to this is the para. And M means meta, respective to this is the meta. We know that when one group substituent is there, then these two position, this 2,6 ortho, 3, 5 meta, and 1, 2 respective to only one position, that is the fourth position is the para position. So these are the structures. It is a phenol. It is a ortho dihydroxybenzene. Here in this structure, in respective to this is the position, that is the meta. So it is a meta dihydroxybenzene. This is the position where OH group are present respective to the para position. So it is a para dihydroxybenzene. Alternative